Affirmation practice. I invite you to bring your attention to your affirmation. I invite you to give yourself permission to believe the statement. Even if you do not completely believe the affirmation, that is okay. Allowing all of your attention to stay on the kind words. You are deserving of positive words. You are deserving of compassion. You are enough. Repeating your affirmation to yourself. Giving yourself compassion with these kind words. When you are ready, you may release the attention and carry the self-compassion with you wherever you go.